What's up, guys? It's Deet. I got the tool finally to take my pistons out. So we're gonna pop the pistons out, pop the main caps off, and I believe I'm gonna shoot another coat of paint on this block. Alright guys, I apologize now for my heavy breathing. My nose is all clogged up. But I'm gonna go through here and break these pistons loose. And take them out. Make everything nice and pretty. Alright guys, so all the pistons are broke loose. I'm gonna take the caps off and pull them out. Alright, I got all the pistons loose and I have the first two out. I forgot to start filming something that wasn't a time lapse. I was talking to the time lapse for a minute. So I'm about to put you back on the time lapse with the removal of the rest of the pistons. I'm just trying to keep you up to date. Alright guys, all the pistons are out. You can see down through. All the pistons are out, and I got one piston here. It's all numbered. The rest of them are down here just in case. Everything looks pretty good, but I'm gonna strip this all down. I don't like the paint job that I did before, so I'm gonna strip this all down and paint that. Alright guys, so I'm back to work on this. I'm gonna clean up the head, make it look really nice. I'm gonna clean up and paint the block, make it look really nice. I don't believe this engine will be the engine that's going in the car right away. I think I've changed my mind just slightly. I'm going to pretty this up and build it the way I want it. That way I'm not wasting my time, I'm not wasting my energy, I'm not putting junk parts on that I'm going to be pulling it back apart again. I think I'm going to slap something in the car, get it running, and build this on the side so that I have the nice engine that I want. There it is. Just getting this bent flywheel off of here so that everything is pretty much out. I could take the cam out if I want. Or take the crank out, sorry, and take it and get it all resurfaced at some point. And I tell you what, this pass-through socket set I got has been one of the best tools. I don't use it very often, but when I do, I really, really needed it, that's for sure. Flywheel is just about to come off. Figured I'd turn you back on for that shot. This thing was tweaked really badly. That's why I had to take it off. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put my suspension and everything back together. I can't afford the new suspension right now, so we're gonna put it back together so it's at least a roller, because my wife and I are looking for a new house fairly soon that has a garage. So if I can get this thing back together to where I can get it on a tow truck, everything's gonna be grand. There it goes. I got it basically back together. I need to get a couple more bolts because the other ones were just too bad to put back in. You can tell this suspension's completely blown out. I'm only putting it back together to move it. So, all right guys, well, I got the suspension put pretty much back together. I've got the engine tore down as far as it could. I am taking the head to the machine shop sometime this week or next to get it decked and hot tanked. And then I'm gonna coat the engine with a new color of paint. I found some really, really nice bronze that's gonna reel really good with the gray theme I plan on doing with the car. So I got everything put back together to the best of my abilities. At this point, I have to get some more hardware because some of it's bad, some of it I lost because it's been apart for 6 months. But I believe I'm gonna end it there because that's pretty much all I can do. So we'll keep you updated on the next videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you next time.